guys, Robin Cooper here. Today's song is called My Sister, My Friend, and it was written for my sister, who I love very much, and who is one of my best friends, and I think she is just fantastic. So this is for her. I want to invite you to my channel under Robin Cooper, Puppet Power. Please subscribe. If you like my stuff, please share with a friend. And, oh, my sister, I want to ask you this, this is the orange car, if you remember, that we used to pretend to drive in. So that was my thought when I made this stage. So I wanted to let you know that. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt myself, but I did anyway. Want to thank you, as always. Thank you for your views. Thank you for sharing with a friend. Thank you for your support. I really enjoy making these scenes, and loving the imagination that comes with it. So, yay. Want to also just answer a question. Someone had asked me if I have any theater training, formal theater training, and the answer is yes. Not in puppets, but actually in theatrics. I was sort of raised in the theater, if you will, and from the age of 4 all the way up until I was about 18 or 19. And then I took a different direction and was not happy with that direction, and so I've turned back, and I'm once again trying to promote the theater because it is something that I love very much. So anyway, this is called My Sister, My Friend. Hope you enjoy it. And again, thank you.
My sister, my friend, I love you more than you can ever imagine. I like to think back when we were young, the adventures we took all day long. I like to remember the laughs we both shared, and how we pulled together when we were both sad. My sister, my friend, I love you more than you can ever imagine. My sister, my friend, I love you more, I love you more, I love you more, I love you more. My sister, my friend, I love you more than you can ever imagine. I know challenges are tough, I know the road sometimes paved, sometimes rough, but I also see the beauty in your heart, and it gives me hope. A good place, a good place, a good place to start. Gives me hope, a good place to start. Ooh, 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 yeah. My sister, my friend, I love you more than you can ever imagine. My sister, my friend, I love you more, I love you, I love you. My sister, my